Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is a simple fishtail braid. It's easier than it looks. Begin by dividing your hair down the middle into 2 equal sections. Start on the right side and use your fingers to separate a piece of hair from the outside of your section. I like to start with a larger piece to act as the base. Cross this piece over your right section and join it into your left. Now repeat on the left side, again with a larger piece, crossing it over your left section and joining it into your right. Awesome, now continue braiding, separating small pieces of hair from the outside of one section and crossing it over, joining it into the other one. As you continue to braid, you'll slowly start to see the fishtail pattern appear. Continue braiding down the remainder of your hair, and if your arms are getting tired, just start sectioning off larger pieces of hair. Now, once you're near the bottom of your braid, you may find it easier to just bring it over your shoulder and continue. Plus, this gives your arms a break, but I just continue braiding upwards until I reach the end. Secure, and to help straighten, gently pull on the sides of your braid to loosen it. I added my favorite shine drops and a few gold accessories to dress up the braid. I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.